Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so I'm just popping in here, what's in the shop, checking out what Dave's doing. He's working on a Grand Design Solitude, and he's currently in the process of replacing a new, you're replacing the new roof, or is this the old roof that you're still removing?
This is the old roof I'm pulling apart.
Oh, okay.
Off the membrane.
Very
Check
cool.
of water damage. If you want to get a ladder, dude, I've got some pictures of it. I've sent them to Sam, but if you want to grab some yourself, it's pretty extensive.
Oh, so he's got water damage to the front cap, or?
No, to the two of the underlayment, OSB, tiny pinhole, and I got the pinhole that I can show you, and it only takes a pinhole
Yeah.
to damage your entire roof.
So how severely did it dry rot it?
It looks like 2 full sheets.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And the
All
thing
right.
here is it's more than 8 foot. So we're gonna have to do some magic to.
Yeah, no problem. All right, well, stay tuned for more. I'm going to get up there and take a video on that. Stay tuned for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already joined our Grand Design RV maintenance and repairs in the RV shop with Dustin and the guys, we encourage you to check that out. So I'm going to go up here and take another video, and we will get that submitted to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching.